Hello and welcome everyone. This is BSL Academy. In our previous videos, we have covered chapter chemical kinetics and haloalkane and haloarenes. So today we have come with one more chapter of chemistry class 12th of the जैक बोर्ड. सो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग अल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर चैप्टर के सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि जैक बोर्ड के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here you can see the very first question is given. Question number 1. Ethanol on heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 445 K gives A. diethyl sulfate, B. ethylene C2H4, C. diethyl hydrogen sulfate, that is C2H5HSO4. So the correct answer is B. Next, which of the following is most acidic? Option A H2O, option B CH3OH, option C C2H5OH, and option D CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Correct answer is A. Now next, which of the following has highest boiling point? Option A CH3 CH2 CH2OH, option B CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH, option C CH3 whole 2 CH CH2OH. So this is 2 methyl are present, therefore CH2 whole 2. We can say it CH2 whole 2 CH CH2OH. Correct answer is option B. That is your butanol. Now next, C6H5Cl, that is your chlorobenzene, in the presence of NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atm pressure gives a product A. So here you have to identify that what is A. Option A phenol, option B sodium phenoxide, option C benzene, option D cyclohexyl chloride. So correct answer is B, sodium phenoxide. Now next, which of the following alcohols can be obtained from HCHO? That is formaldehyde. HCHO stands for formaldehyde. Option A CH3OH, option B C2H5OH, option C CH3 CH2 CH2H, and all of these. So the correct answer is D, all of these. Now next, phenol can be distinguished from ethyl alcohol by all reagent except A NaOH, option B FeCl3, option B Br2H2O, option D Na. Correct answer is D, Na. Now next, on heating ethylene glycol at 775 K, the phenol obtained is option A oxirane, option B acetaldehyde, option C glycoldehyde, option D dioxane. Correct answer is oxirane. Now next, alcohols can be obtained from all methods except hydroboration oxidation, option B oxymercuration demercuration, option C reduction of aldehyde or ketones with ZnHgHCl, option D by fermentation of starch. Correct answer is option D by fermentation of starch. Now next, which of the following compounds is least acidic? Option A O nitrophenol, option B M nitrophenol, option C P nitrophenol, and option D phenol. So correct answer is D. Here O stands for ortho, M stands for meta, and P stands for para. Now next, which of the following alcohols is least soluble in water? N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, tert-butyl alcohol. So correct answer is A, N-butyl alcohol. This is least soluble in water. Now next, the compound which is most acidic among the following is option A phenol, option B P nitrophenol, option C O nitrophenol, and option D M nitrophenol. Correct answer is B, nitrophenol, that is para-nitrophenol. Now next, phenol is less acidic than ethanol, methanol, O-nitrophenol, P-methylphenol. Option C is the correct answer, O-nitrophenol. Now next, the compound obtained by the reaction of ethene with diborane followed by hydrolysis with alkaline hydrogen peroxide is ethanol, propanol, ethanol, or triethyl bromide. Sorry, it should be bromide instead of boride, so don't confuse it. No. So correct answer is comes out to be option A, that is your ethanol. Now question number 15. Phenol can be distinguished from ethyl alcohol by all reagents except NaOH, FeCl3, Br2, H2O, Na. Correct answer is option D, Na, that is sodium. Question number 16. Which of the following will not be soluble in sodium bicarbonate? A246 trinitrophenol, benzoic acid, O-nitrophenol, benzene sulfonic acid. Correct answer is comes out to be option C, that is your O-nitrophenol again. Question number 17. The reaction of CH2CH2O with RMGX leads to the formation of option A, RCHOH, RCHOH, 2CH2OH, and option D, RCH2CH2H. So here the correct answer is D. Now next, which one of the following compounds will be most radially attacked by an electrophile? Option A, chlorobenzene, B, benzene, C, phenol, and D, toluene. So C is the correct one. Now next, which compound is known as oil of wintergreen? Option A, phenyl benzoate. Option B, phenyl salicylate. Option C, phenyl acetate. Option D, methyl salicylate. Correct answer is D. Now next, among the following compounds, the strongest acid is CHCH, that is your option D, C6H6, option C, C2H6, and option D, CH3OH. So correct answer is D. एंड ए तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है, बिकॉज यहाँ कार्बन की वैलेंसी तो कंप्लीट ही नहीं हो रही है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द रिएक्शन ऑफ लुकास रिएजेंट इज फास्टेस्ट विथ CH3 COH, CH3 CHOH, CH3 CH2 और CH3 CH2OH. So correct answer is A, CH3 COH. Now next, the reaction of ethylene glycol with PI3 gives ICH2 CH2I, CH2 double bond CH2, CH2 double bond CHI, and option D, ICH double bond CHI. Correct answer is A. 23. 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide in ethanol. The major product obtained is option A, 2-ethoxypentane, pentene 1, cis-pentene 2, option D, trans-pentene 2. So the correct answer is comes out to be option D, that is your trans-pentene 2. Now next, what is the correct bond length in dimethyl ether? So if you know the structure of dimethyl ether, you can easily answer it. So the correct answer is option B, that is your 110 degree. Now next, ethers are isomeric with option A, carboxylic acid, option B, aldehydes, option C, alcohols, or D, ketones. So ethers are isomeric with alcohols. So C is your correct answer. The reactants used in Williamson synthesis of ethers are alcohol and aldehydes, alkyl halides and sodium carboxylate, alkyl halides and sodium alkoxide, and option D, all of these. So the correct answer is C, alkyl halides and sodium alkoxide. Now next, isopropyl halide on reaction with sodium ethoxide shall produce mainly 2-ethoxypropane, B ethene, C propene, D ethoxyethane. So correct answer is propene, option C. 28. Propane 1-ol can prepared from propene by H2O, H2SO4, HgOSe Hol 2, CH2 followed by NaBH4, option C, B2H6 followed by H2O2. Correct answer is option C, B2H6 followed by H2O2. So B2H6 is your डाइबोरेन एंड इसकी जो स्ट्रक्चर होती है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होती है, जो कि आप लोगों ने 11th क्लास में केमिकल बॉन्डिंग चैप्टर में पढ़ा होगा. तो हम इसमें जो बॉन्डिंग होती है उसे बनाना बॉन्डिंग बोलते हैं, दैट इज 3 सेंटर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. So B2H6 is very important compound. Now next, question number 29. The most reactive nucleophile among the following is option A CH3O minus, option B C6H5O minus, CH3 Hol 2 CHO minus, CH3 Hol 3 CO minus. Correct answer is D. Now next, anisole on reaction with HI forms phenol and methyl iodide, iodobenzene and methanol, benzene and methyl iodide. So correct answer is A, phenol and methyl iodide. Now next, the general molecular formula which represents the homologous series of alkanols is CnH2n plus 2O, CnH2nO2, CnH2nO and CnH2n plus 1O. Correct answer is C, CnH2nO. Now next, Lucas test is done for alkyl halides, alcohols, acids or aldehydes. So B is your correct answer, that is Lucas test is done for alcohols, not for alkyl halides, acid and aldehydes. Now next, when primary amines reacts with chloroform in ethanoic KOH, then the product is what? Then your product is an isocyanide. A is your correct answer. Now next, salicylic acid is prepared from phenol by which reaction? This is very famous reaction. So answer it. Riemann-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction or Kolbe's electrolysis. So this is your Kolbe's reaction. Now next, CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH3 obtained by chlorination of N-butane will be mesoform, racemic mixture, D form, I form. So B is your correct answer, that is racemic mixture. Now next, order of esterification of alcohol is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than P. Now next, S is greater than T is greater than P, P is greater than S is greater than T or none of these. So T stands for tertiary, S stands for secondary and P stands for primary. So correct order for this, for the esterification, order of esterification is option C, that is primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. So this is it guys. So today we have discussed important questions of alcohol, phenol and ether of class 12th JAC board chemistry. So hope you like this video. So if you like our video, then please share and subscribe our channel to get all such videos of the JAC board. So thank you so much for watching our video. Bye bye and happy learning.